everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is going to be this super easy Halloween tutorial of this scarecrow makeup look. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit disappointed because I wanted to use contact lenses for this look, but they have dried up, so this look could have been a lot better. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get into this scarecrow Halloween makeup look. With this look, we're starting with brows, so I'm going in with my Unicorn Cosmetics Bare Brows, and I'm just pushing this through my brows, pressing them down flat to my face, and then doing the satisfying part of sculpting them. And then next, you want to carve out your brows with a concealer. I'm just using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm using this to carve under my brows and also pop it all the way over my eyelid to use it as an eyeshadow base. Once you have applied your concealer to your eyelid, you then want to set this, and I'm just using my Huda Beauty Pound Cake powder, which I'll also be using later, but you just want to press this into the concealer before you go in with your eyeshadows, just to minimise any creasing and to make the eyeshadows blend really well. The palette that we're going in with today is this one from BH Cosmetics. Look at these colours, aren't they incredible? And first we're going in with the black on a small fluffy brush, and we're taking this in the crease. We're going to be doing a cut crease, and you want to go in with small amounts of black at a time because it really does go a long way. So you want to start drawing the cut crease and then blend this up towards your eyebrow. And we're also then taking this in a kind of rounded shape, connecting it to the outer corner of the eye, just to kind of give it more of a softer look and make the eye all like connect together with the eyeshadows basically. I'm then taking these two P. Louise bases. Now, if you don't have the P. Louise bases, it's absolutely fine. You can cut your crease with concealer and then just use eyeshadow. But I decided to use these today because I really wanted this colour to pop on the lid against the black. But you want to take the yellow first and create a half cut crease with this. So take it on the inner half of your eyelid, and then take the orange and connect it to the yellow and keep this on the outer corner of your eyelid. If you are using the P. Louise bases to blend them together, you just want to tap the cream product together. So just dab it and it will honestly blend so seamlessly. And I'm then setting this with a yellow shadow from that palette and then also an orange one. To add a little bit more drama to this look, I'm taking the Maybelline gel liner. This is just a black eyeliner, and I'm taking this in my waterline, and I'm then also creating a wing with this and kind of drawing a curve around that cut crease. I don't take it all the way, just I feel like it kind of adds to the dramaticness of the look. And I'm then going in with my foundation. This is just the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm just buffing this in with the Coco Cosmetics Marshmallow Sponge. I cannot speak. This sponge, look how easily it blends out your foundation. Honestly, if you do not have this, it is absolutely incredible. Just watch, it does the magic. For my cream bronzer, I'm going in with the Made by Mitchell Blushed Bronze. This is in the shade Shady Business, and look how easily this blends. Look at it, it's just absolutely incredible. I'm then taking the Made by Mitchell blush in the shade Melon Sorbet because we're going to be doing an orange cheek moment. And then I'm just concealing with my Made by Mitchell concealer, not my Made by Mitchell concealer, my Maybelline concealer. And then I'm setting this with my Huda Beauty loose powder in the shade Pound Cake. And I'm just setting under my eyes, my nose, my chin and my forehead. set my cream bronzer, I'm going in with the NYX bronzer. This is in the shade medium. I absolutely love this stuff. It is the best. You can use a little bit and create a little bit of a bronze, or you can use a lot. And then I'm using the powder again to bake underneath my contour. And then taking the MAC glitter pigment, and I'm taking this in my inner corner just to add a little pop of colour, and I feel like this really elevated the eye look and it just gave a little bit of a glitter in the inner corner. And then we're doing the orange cheeks. I'm just taking an orange shade from that palette and I'm just doing it in like a circle on the cheek, kind of like you would with a clown look, and this just really adds to the scarecrow look. And then I'm taking a black shadow again and just running this underneath my waterline just to bring the whole eye together. And then we start drawing on the nose. So you want to create kind of like a little teardrop kind of shape, and we're doing this with the black Maybelline gel liner. And then I'm taking those P. Louise paints, so the yellow first and then the orange, and blending those together just to create this kind of like mix of the colours on this little nose piece. And then we're going to take the black liner again and just kind of do these stitches on the outside of that black that we've drawn, just to kind of create the stitched scarecrow look. I'm then just adding a coat of mascara to my bottom lashes, and at this point I would apply falsies, but I already had my lashes done. And then now it's time to draw the little stitched squares on our face. So I'm drawing one first on my forehead, and I'm using a P. Louise paint to do this. You could use eyeliner, you could use eyeshadow, but I just found it easy to use the paint, and I'm filling this in a little square. And then I'm doing one on the left cheek as well, just kind of bring the whole look together. I feel like doing two makes it a little bit more coherent, is that the word? So we're just going to fill those in, and then we're going to take the black Maybelline liner again and draw a line around the square. Oh, I'm setting this first. Set it with eyeshadow if you're using P. Louise paints. And then we're taking the Maybelline liner and we're drawing a line around the square, and then we're doing the stitches on the outsides of the square as well. I'm taking the Maybelline eyeliner again and drawing a line across my neck, and then I'm drawing little stitches along that as well, just to add to the scarecrow look again. I then decided to add some freckles with the eyeliner. Now I probably should have used a brown to do this, but I did want them to be really dark, so I went in with the eyeliner and I did it in different like pressures to make some a little bit darker and some a little bit more faint as well. And then I'm taking my highlighter and just applying this anywhere you normally would, so on my cheeks, on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and underneath my eyebrow. For the lips, I'm first going in with the Doll Beauty lip liner in the shade Princess, and I'm just outlining this as I usually would. And then I'm taking the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Troublemaker, just a really dark lip colour. Anything that you have in your kit is absolutely fine. And then again, we're taking the Maybelline gel liner, and I'm drawing a line from the outer corner of my mouth up towards my cheek. And I'm also bringing this onto the lips just to kind of blend in the black liner a little bit more. And then we're doing the stitches all the way along these two lines as well. I then decided to take my highlighter on the centre portions of my lips just to add a little bit more dimension to the lip. And that is it. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is really easy to do, so please let me know if you create this look. And thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.